Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and though I started making just a few candles, I've actually gotten into making a lot at one time. And that's why I was so happy to find this EricX Light candle making pot. This has helped me to start making a lot of candles in one batch. It is really nice. It's an aluminum pot. What's great about the design is that it helps it to melt evenly. It doesn't overheat, burn any of my wax in the process of making it. It pours very nicely. It's easy to control how much, because when you're pouring your candles, you don't want to pour it too fast or else you're going to get a lot of air bubbles or imperfections in the candle. So this has been really nice. It can make up to 4 pounds of wax, which can make a lot of candles. This is designed specifically for candle wax, but you can use a variety of waxes. There's beeswax, soy wax, paraffin wax. So this will work with all of those waxes. If you're like me and you're really starting to get into candle making, this is a really good option. This company sells different sizes, but if you're wanting to make a lot of candles in one batch, this is the perfect pot for you. And that's my point of view.